In this video, I will guide you through the payment process in ERP Spirit, including both lump sum and partial payments. First, click on PMS and navigate to the Payments section. Select the vendor and set the posting date. Choose Cash as the payment mode, enter the reference number, and select the dimension. I will demonstrate two payment methods: lump sum cash payments and partial payments. For a lump sum payment, let's say we have 180 amount remaining. Simply select it, click on Add Payment, and the payment is processed. This is the process of lump sum payment. Now let's discuss about partial payment. Repeat the same process of initial data filling as we do early. For partial payments, you can specify the amount you want to pay into the applied amount. For example, if you are paying 500 amount out of a 1500 amount invoice, select it and process the payment. Then click on Add Payment. This is the way of lump sum and partial payments. Now I am going to show you the statement of account. So go to the report and select the statement of account. Then select the vendor, posting date, and then click on View Report. Here you can see your statement of account. To verify your payments, go to the GL statement account. Here, you can see detailed records of your payments, such as the 180 and 500 amount paid. For a detailed overview, you can export the payment data to Excel for further analysis. And that's how you process payments in ERP Spirit. Whether you're paying in full or partially, ERP Spirit makes it simple and efficient.